I told him today we're just gonna have an interview about paying the ticket. But I have one last surprise. You ready? It's breakfast time for the doggies. All right. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye. So it's starting to rain right now, which is okay. We're headed to Cebu City, and today we have a van taking us there. Richie's coming with us, Raymond, and then Jerome. I think that's it. But we're gonna get Jerome's ticket paid for, his fine, and then maybe do some other things there because we only get to go to Cebu City right now, not very often.
Jerome is very excited.
Yeah, Jerome's very excited. That's good. And I'm excited too. It's good to get that off the list, and then he can start finding a job hopefully soon. And thanks again to Kyle. I got my new shoes on. I'm loving these shoes, man. Here's our driver for today. Your name's JR?
Yes.
JR, all right.
Cebuano Junior.
Junior, okay. I think in America that's Junior too.
Wala papers. Wala papers.
What's up, bro? Shall we go? This is awesome. We got AC. We can sit in an AD. What's AD?
A day to remember.
Yeah, a day to remember. This is awesome. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no.
More. Again. Twice.
Nobody wanna see us together. Nobody, no. I forgot the words. Nobody matters. Nobody cares.
Nobody wanna see us together. Body don't matter.
Okay.
2, 1.
Nobody wanna see us together. Nobody cares. I forgot this.
One more.
I'll make up my own words.
Nobody wanna. Body don't matter.
Body don't matter. Okay.
Okay.
Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no.
Just stop.
No, one more. We got this one. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no, 'cause I got you. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no.
Matagal na ang kitang bet. Pasensya kung makulit. Tatanggapin ko ang lahat kahit medyo masakit. Ikaw na ang pinaka maganda sa aking mata. Gagawin ko ang lahat para iyong madama na mahal kita. Wala nang iba. Ikaw lang ang aking dalagang Pilipina. Ikaw yung dalaga, ikaw yung prinsesa. Pag nawala ka pa, nagkakawalang gana, baby. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no, 'cause I got you. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no, 'cause I got you. Yeah. Perfect. Raymond and I made a video here a few months ago. 7 months ago. Wow, that's more than a few. Time flies. The problem with the van is that it's hard to find a place to park. So right now we're looking for a place to park. Alright, so we're gonna try to fit in there. There's a big truck right there. Wow. We made it. Alright, thank you. We'll be back. Alright, here we are in Cebu City. Richie's gonna take off by herself. Good luck. Be safe. Alright, Richie's gonna take a taxi back to her place and pick up some things, and then Raymond, myself, and Jerome will go pay for Jerome's ticket. Okay, so only people that have an appointment can enter this building. So right now we're gonna try to schedule an appointment and hopefully schedule for today. But that's probably unlikely, but we're gonna try our best.
All right, so we kind of have good news. Jerome is gonna wait there. I think they allow walk-ins after lunchtime, so we have a couple hours until then. But in the meantime, Raymond and I are gonna go find some Bibles and some religious stuff, and then also get some errands. I gotta get an SD card and some other stuff too, so it'll work out just fine. Jerome's gonna wait there. So today was from a donation, so thank you very much. And this was 3506, and then the remainder we'll go get the Bibles and other things like that at the other store. Thanks, JR.
Okay.
All right. A big thanks to JR. Thanks, we will. He's patiently waiting for us. Now we're done with getting the necklaces and the rosaries. Now Raymond and I are gonna walk to get the Bibles. How do we get in? Oh, the book center's closed. I'm sure there's other places to find Bibles, but that one's closed. Woo-coo-coo! It feels like we're on a field trip. Open.
We're lucky.
All right. Oh, it feels nice in here. Hello.
Sister Catherine.
Sister, shout out to Sister Catherine.
Thank you, Sister Catherine.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having us.
See you next year.
See you next year. Hi, Mom.
Hey, where came from?
Just from church.
Oh, your new house.
My new house. This is where I live.
Oh, bye. See you next year.
See you next year.
Robot. Walk like a robot.
All right, so we made it back. We're gonna go check on Jerome, and hopefully we can get the ticket paid for. Hey, good early morning, guys. I'm with Raymond, and then Jerome is waiting up there. We're going to do two things today. We're gonna get Raymond's bike fixed, and then also get Jerome's ticket or fine paid for. But a big shout out to Arnie. Check out my pants. She sewed this for me, so now when I walk in the mud, the bottom of my pants don't get dirty.
Oh, white color, not pink.
That's all we had was the white. But she did a really good job. I think they look really good. So this is our second attempt. Jerome scheduled the appointment, so now it's almost guaranteed that we're gonna get it paid for today. Hopefully, nothing's ever guaranteed. All right, here's our bike gang. We got Jerome, myself, and Raymond. And hopefully this is gonna be one of the last times Raymond has to start his bike going down the hill. All right, here we go. We'll see you when we get there. All right, so we made it. It looks like the bus station is open now, so that's good. And I think they're allowing back rides, but you might have to be husband and wife or live in the same household. We made it to the land transportation office. Now we're just gonna fall in line, and hopefully we can get in soon. All right, so we are in line for Jerome's fine or ticket, and it looks like it might be a while. And we're gonna try to do two things today. So we're gonna go get Raymond's bike fixed, or at least start on it. So Jerome's gonna wait in line, and then Raymond and I are gonna get Raymond's bike fixed. All right, bro, good luck. All right, now it's time to get Raymond's bike fixed.
I cannot wait, bro.
We've been waiting for this for a long time. Yeah. Hey! Are you ready? We made it. So here is all the parts for the bike. All right, so Raymond's bike is next. And we're gonna go inside, and there's like an observing area. There's one last look at it before they start repairing it. They're gonna get new tires too, and all this will be changed. It's looking good.
It's very hard. Hard to fixing your bike.
It's not an easy project.
Oh, it's not easy.
There's a lot of stuff wrong with it. So Raymond's bike just got finished. It's pretty much a brand new bike. We'll go over some of the things that he got. He got a new shield up here, a protector from the mud. He used to drive, and every time it rained, if he wore a white shirt, he'd be covered in dirt. So that helps a lot. And then pretty much all this is new.
Two tubes, new.
2 new tooth for brakes, for shocks, I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Lights. New wires for the cables. A new starter, so now it starts. A new battery?
Yeah.
Okay.
Inside.
We got a new battery.
Yeah.
And then even this broke too.
No.
He used to not be able to open this.
Also this one.
And also a new key. Our new starter key. Nice, very cool. And then in a minute we'll show you how it starts, because before we used to have to push start it, but now it starts without pushing. So that's the most exciting part. Wow, that's awesome. Before we push him down the road to try to start the bike. But awesome, guys. Now we're gonna wait for the paperwork, and then we're gonna drive home, and so it's finished. Now we're ready for our trip around the Philippines.
Yeah, again, thank you many times to all.
Thanks, guys. That's awesome, you guys. He deserves it. He's always riding this thing for errands. I'm
going to cry.
But he uses his bike all the time to pick up books from the mail. As long I use my scooter as well, but we both use both our bikes.
Materials.
So yeah, for all the construction materials, so for everything. So these bikes get a lot of use. So thank you guys very much. It means a lot.
Are you sure? No need to show my new underwear?
No. He also got new tires, but he couldn't put those on here because they don't have the right machinery. So we're gonna take him back to Toledo and get new tires for him when he gets there. Shout out to all the hard workers here. Great job, guys. Good job.
Romel. Ariel.
Alex. All right. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Oh.
Nice picture. All right. We're about to drive back. We'll see you guys later. Hey, guys.
Okay, 1, 2.
We're about to sit down and talk to Jerome, but they cooked us breakfast, and check this out.
Yeah, check this out.
Check this out. Then check this out.
My plate.
Oh, Raymond. That's Raymond's plate.
Bye.
But thank you, Michelle and Jerome. It looks delicious. All right, so we're gonna. Yeah, Bukayo. We're gonna eat this real quick, and then we'll have a chat with Jerome.
Dustin,
See you guys later.
Before you don't like to eat with sauce. Now you try.
Now I love it.
You like.
I'll show you guys one bite. Mmm, delicious. All right, we'll see you when we talk to Jerome. All right, hey guys, we just finished having breakfast. Jerome and Michelle cooked it for us, so it was very delicious. And if you haven't seen the previous videos with Jerome, we talked to him. He's been in other videos, and people commented that they wanted to know more about him. And after the interview, after talking with him, we found out that he had a big ticket, or a big fine. He was let go from his job because he couldn't pay for his fine. It was 21,000, right? Around 21,000, a little above 21,000 pesos, which is a very, very big amount of money. Yeah. And so the first time we came, we gave him 5,000 pesos worth of food, and along with 15,000 pesos extra for spending money. And with that money, they started a Sari store, or like a mini store.
Because of that,
So they have it right down there, and they sell like hot dogs and different kind of items like that. So that's what he did with that money, and also they bought more food and different things. And then we finally just went to go get his ticket paid for. We tried to go the first time. We drove there, and we found out that you had to have a appointment. So we went all the way there, and then we had to come all the way back, and then he made an appointment, and we got it paid for. And I just want to show you guys, it was over 21,000. So here's the price. Hopefully you can see that. But there's the important part. It's 21,000. That is just ridiculous. Yeah, it's such a huge amount. So you have to wait one more year until your ID is cleared?
So 1 year suspended
Okay.
before I renew.
license.
But with this now, he's able to get another job, right? So this is the job that he had. He has to wait a year until he gets that same job. But in the meantime, he can find another job. So we got this paid for. We gave him the extra 15,000 last time, and then 5,000 worth of food, which is a total of 41,000 pesos.
Oh, it's very
Yeah,
great.
that's awesome.
Thank you for all of that.
No problem. It's you're such a good guy. People saw that.
I can expect that.
People saw that, and they saw that you're a genuine, nice guy. Your
Yeah.
family, and
First,
I have one more question. Are you ready for your last surprise?
yeah.
He's not expecting anything. I just told him today that we're coming for just like an interview. That chicken, sorry. I told him today we're just gonna have an interview about paying the ticket. But I have one last surprise. You ready? All right, here's the last surprise. So total right now is 41,000 that he got. His ticket was 21,000, which is huge. But here's the last surprise. All right.
Oh.
So
This
one,
mine?
this is all for you,
Huh?
and this will help for anything you want.
Yes.
It can be for food, for the kids' schooling. You have one more. Yeah, Ben's. He's one of your children as well.
Yes. Yes.
So this can help for the school. For I know right now, if you can't find a job right now, it'll help until you find a job. But for food, for anything you need it for. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Wow, thank you
All
so
for
much.
you. No problem.
Salamat!
And this is all from the viewers, so you guys are amazing.
Thank you.
This
Thank
is-
you very
yeah.
much.
And they just saw your kindness. They saw, you know, all the good things about you and your family. So it's just a
I really,
huge.
really appreciate it.
Thank you guys so much. It's so cool. And this is my favorite part of this whole YouTube thing, is helping out deserving families like this. So again, I couldn't do this without you guys, and thank you guys so much. This is
Thank you, and also for those people helping to solve my ticket fine, what do you call that?
yeah, the fine or the ticket. Yeah, that was.
And I just want to say again to nervous those people in a good heart for the
For the
first
fine.
day, 15,000 cash
Yeah.
before, and for those giving me for goods and soap or
Yeah. So now the new total after the 25 is 66,000 pesos.
thank you
So that's
so
all
much. This is a
together,
big-
and it's
a
all from the
big-
YouTube
big-
subscribers. You
yeah.
guys are amazing. Like
very,
it
very,
is,
thank you so much.
it is so awesome. Like it's
And also you,
hey,
thank you so much.
no problem. I'm doing the easy work. I'm giving
I'm
the stuff
so-
that you gave to me. So,
I'm so glad and thankful you are a part of
no problem.
my
I'm very lucky. I feel lucky too, just to meet such amazing people in this whole village. Like there's one family after another. There's so many amazing people out here. You
God
guys,
bless you, bro.
no problem,
you.
man.
Thank you so much
Yeah,
for
thank you
everybody.
guys very much.
Thank
It's
you.
it's really amazing, and hopefully school starts soon. October it starts again, but I think it's just module. But feel free to get pens, notebooks,
Oh,
whatever
all
you
the
think they want. They can
requirements.
get new clothes, they can get shoes, they can get whatever they want. But
now we can
put that in a safe
Thank
spot.
you.
But you guys, thank you guys so much.
thank
We'll,
you so much.
you guys take care. God bless,
God
and
bless you
thank you guys
and your
again so
family.
much.
Thank you.
All right, bye bye, guys.
Hi, Shane. Guapa.
Thank you so much. Bro.
No problem. Take care, guys. God bless.